Okay, so here's my unboxing video on the FrSky X20 Pro. It comes in this beta box, but what's inside seems difficult. Okay, some foam and a beautiful case. I love the case. It's much smaller than the one for my X12s, but let's see what's inside. It looks solid. Woohoo! I got a radio. Neck strap, as expected. Accessory box. What do we have here? A key, antenna, USB-C cable, and another antenna. Those are both antennas are 2.4 gigahertz antennas. I think I have some old ones. They are for the upcoming Pro receivers, which are not available yet, but the Pro will use only the internal 900 megahertz antenna, and those are 2.4 gigs. I contacted FrSky to send me 2 receivers instead of 1. I ordered 2 TD10 receivers and paid some extra instead of 1. They look great. Everything is very well packed. 900 megahertz antenna. The 2.4 gigahertz antennas are fine too, so everything looks nice. What's that? Oh, cool! I have a key for the receivers, or an RB unit. I have the NFC one. That one looks nice too. I may use it. I just got a new Hangar 9 plane, so I may try that as well on it. But that's nice. Okay, that's the crystal cube you get. Woohoo! It's shiny. It changes lights, and my number is 88. The first, I don't know how many will be numbered. You get that number etched there. That thing glows very nice, and it's kind of difficult to capture it on the video, but anyway, it looks great, trust me. Have here is the little card for the receiver. You get a link to the online menu by scanning the QR code, but all manuals are on the FrSky website anyway, so that should be the Vantac screwdriver. Let's see how it looks. I never had any Vantac product before. I have a number of electric screwdrivers, a very small one and another more powerful one for different purposes, and they are very useful. So off with the packaging. Everything is very well wrapped. Everything is perfect. I don't have anything broken or something. Okay, that's it. Probably it's not charged yet, or yeah, it's not charged yet. You have tools here, you can see them, and I think there's some more inside, but looks like a good quality screwdriver. Has some weight to it. What's that? Oh, that's a free. There you go. This is what you get when you order from from the first batches, production date, unit number 88, and 1 year valid since duly activated on the product date. So cool, awesome. Hand assembled by Mr. Shawnee. Sorry man for butchering your name. Accessory box number 2. What's that? Oh, those are the extra, the longer bits for the screwdriver. Very, very handy indeed. I think one of the reasons they are including this is that it's used to configure the gimbals. And let's see what's that. Ooh, awesome. One more thing. Let's see what's that. It is okay, the manual for the screwdriver, some stickers, and what is this? Okay, that's the same thing. That's the card with the link to the manual. The foaming is perfect. I like it that the radio that the case is smaller than the one for my X20. Definitely looks better. Oh, the radio looks very nice. Let me close that for a moment, move it away. The radio looks and feels really nice. Yeah, definitely everything you touch feels great. The weight is great. It feels really nice. Buttons are probably feel the same as they do on the X20, probably a bit better. The potentiometers, oh, definitely harder. They feel much more solid than on my X20. That's what I'm comparing with. Trims are longer, feeling great. The mode, everything feels great, really. I don't have a single bad thing to say at this moment. The side buttons are a bit small. I'm not sure I'm gonna be using those a lot because I do something like semi pinch, but they are reachable. Oh, they're reachable with my my no-name finger. What's that finger? The other finger. Anyway, with those fingers I can reach them just fine. On the back of the radio you can see 2 buttons. They're supposed to be there since the X20S. On top of it, it's the 2 antennas slot that you can add for line of sight. As far as I know, they're not necessary at all. A momentary switch, 2-position switch, another 2-position switch, 3-position switch here, and another 2-position switch here. 3-position switch, another 3-position switch. Those 2 potentiometers have dent in the middle, which I love. That slider here has a dent in the middle too. Those feel very, very nice. So all in all, compared to my X20, it feels a bit smaller, to be honest, and I find it more easy to see, to reach every part of the gimbal, and it just feels great. Every part of it feels great. I have ordered some Gorilla Glass for the display from the Horus website, which I'm expecting to arrive soon. And what they have are metal caps for these. I have ordered, I didn't know how I'm gonna use those, so I got some red ones and some black ones, some big ones and some short ones. They have long, short, so you can play with these depending on how you feel, but my bet is that the short ones are replacement for these, while the long ones are for the others. You can get them in red I'm definitely going to use one of those red ones for my ignition, for because I'm building internal combustion model with radial Saito at the moment, and I want to make sure that my ignition is on, that the throttle is unlocked, and so on. Okay, so they have sent it with ratcheted throttle. This is something that I will have to eliminate. I want it smooth. The gimbal, other than that, the gimbals are awesome. They just feel so solid. Another thing that is great about this radio is that I have removed a number of times. I have opened my X12 for the ISRM upgrade, etc. But here you need only to unscrew 3 bolts with the provided Vantec electric screwdriver, and you get access to your gimbals. So you can do things like switching modes and removing the ratchet, increasing the tension, and so on. Let's see, by the way, if it works.
Welcome to Ethos. Throttle not idle. Failsafe not set. Switch warning.
Okay. So, yeah, that's very loud. It runs. It has Ethos. It has the annoying voice of Ethos. The only thing that I'm not happy with Ethos so far is the voiceover. It's terrible, very robotic, and it's 2023 with all the text-to-speech services that we have there for free. I have just signed up for an Amazon text-to-speech service that just talks like an actual human being, and I will basically redo all the voices from Ethos to sound like a human being. And yeah, I'm gonna share that RC groups, for example, or somewhere else, just so that annoying voice is not there anymore. I want to lower the volume if possible. Oh, there you go. I hope I didn't wake up any one of the neighbors or my kid. So everything looks and feels great. The haptics are awesome. You can definitely feel them. I don't have any models yet, but I will do those. I think that on the special functions you can see play text, that's the new text to speech, and active condition. You can just, let's try something, and the text is, let us try something. Okay. Sorry you didn't hear that, but let me see. Let me quickly increase the volume for a moment. Audio. Okay, that didn't work because we use only capital letters, I believe, but anyway, it's very robotic. I don't like it. I don't think I'm ever gonna use the text-to-speech feature, but I will surely make my own sound pack that sounds the way I want. Rather than that, everything feels perfect in terms of hardware for this radio. I will bind it to the TD receivers, and I can't wait to start my new project with it. Thank you for listening, and I hope that video was useful for you.